extremely gratifying to feed pigs food scraps because they eat all of it. Good morning, goats. Good morning, Brownie. How are y'all doing on this cold morning? Goats will jump right in your way. They'll stand right in front of you and block you. It's like almost deliberate. The food scraps are going to these boys this morning. These guys will be butchered here soon. This is their finished ration. You got to think about what you feed them in the last weeks of their lives, because it can pretty dramatically affect the flavor of the meat, but especially it can affect the flavor of the fat. Corn is kind of the cheap option. It can give a good sweet flavor. From what they say, this is especially important if you're raising lard pigs and you want to use your lard. Cold. So cold. There you go, Brownie. Enjoy your drink. It's cold water. I don't think that Moonbeam is pregnant. Pretty sure she is. She got bred the first day. Braveheart. Good job, Braveheart. Pretty sure she's carrying. They'd be due in April.
That rooster ran across the yard yesterday just to attack me.
Really?
Yeah, the mean one. He ran all the way across the yard.
Do we need to get rid of him?
Yes. We do.
Okay.
I wanted to fix the chickens' netting fence today. I like to leave them in for most of the day and then let them out in the late afternoon so that they'll lay their eggs where they're supposed to. So I actually have them not even let out into their run yet because they've been getting out. So we need to fix the fence. I want to clean up their nesting boxes, and I want to give them a few more places to roost in their coop. We have one more week and then we should start planting peas, potatoes, onions, and greens. Your mom's going to give us strawberry plants, so we need to plan a day where we're going to go out to their garden and dig up strawberry plants.
Okay.
So that we can get those in, because if we get them in time, they'll bear fruit this year.
Not gonna eat it.
Baked oatmeal for breakfast. Do you like baked oatmeal, buddy?
Yeah.
It's yummy, isn't it?
No.
It's a good way to sneak in eggs for kids who don't like scrambled eggs. You ready to go, buddy?
Yeah. I know.
They like that, don't they? Well, they're having fun in the creek. Justice and I have to go to town. We ran our errands, now we're on the top of the world. Justice needs some one-on-one man time, so we're having a little mini adventure just squeezed into our day. We're up here at this fire tower and we're gonna climb to the top.
Oh my goodness. Those little stinkers.
The boys let the chickens out.
They let all the chickens out.
We're coming down here to kind of get these chicken quarters in shape.
Oh, they're not out.
The chickens were out.
Well, you saw these out here.
Oh. Hey, boys.
We saw a bad chicken frightened, and then so I had to go outside.
Oh, you mean that little mean
The
one?
mean one.
Did he come after you?
Yeah, that man with flying spots. And they attacked me when I started my fly. And then really hoarded.
He did attack you?
Yeah.
We may need to eat him on Saturday.
Yeah, he's going to the pot. Leave her alone. We want her to finish laying her egg.
I know. Does it take all what for eggs?
Yeah, for the mama hens it does. Alright.
Wow. I'll have that one. No, it's more. This one.
Okay, so can I tell you the #1 rules of gathering eggs?
What?
Never put eggs in your pockets.
Why?
What do you think will happen if you fall down, or if you forget they're there and you throw your coat down, or what do you think will happen?
Flake.
They'll break. So let's go put these in a bucket.
Oh, look. These match. There's 5 again. I see the shape.
Where are you going?
Up to house.
You gonna take those to the girls? Grace, can you put Shep up? I'm gonna let all the chickens out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I want to clean out all of this. Like, there's just all these cages in here and feeders and just, it's just chaos. And I don't like chaos. I don't know about y'all. Shep's been known to eat a chicken or two, so he's getting put up. This is the rooster that keeps attacking everyone. Like, if I turn my back on him, he'll chase me. But when I'm facing him, he won't chase me. He's that kind of guy.
Wow.
They're free! Let's not scare them, okay? Brighton cracked one of these eggs. You want an egg? Can you catch the mean one? I just want him put up. Oh, now he's going. Gracie's plan worked. Good job.
First daffodil season. You were born in May, so you didn't see daffodils so much. At least not the early ones. Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go right here. Yes, you did.
It's really sweet.
Last year we did this and produced actually a pretty good volume, several quarts of maple syrup. I don't think we'll get that much this year. That was a ton of work and we got a late start, but we're gonna make some because it was so much fun and it is so good.
We got 4 spots tapped and now we're in business.
Isn't it funny how back in the day, maple sugar was like what you ate every day, and company sugar was the white sugar you bought from the store? And now it's like white sugar is like whatever, and the maple sugar is the treat.
That is funny.
It's the special thing.
Alrighty.
Alright, well, we got 1 project done today. I feel like we're limited to 1 project today. Any of you guys limited like that? Anyway, our hope is to eventually we'll get the chickens. We need to work on our chickshaw a little bit, and then our hope is to get our chickens back to using doing that out in our pasture so they can eat up all the parasites.
Well, it's been another great day on the homestead. Thank you for joining us.